everyone. Welcome back to the BIMPeers talk show. Last time, we explored the detailed settings in Pro mode. Today, we're introducing two brand new features in ArchiFilm Beta, Prompt Boost and Reference Image. With these, you can get much more precise results with far less effort.
That's right. We'll actually try out these two features today and generate images together.
Shall we dive right in? Let's start with Prompt Boost.
Sure. Prompts are the most important part of generating images, but many people find writing them difficult. That's exactly why we built Prompt Boost. It takes your short, simple prompts and automatically expands them into rich, professional ones. For example, if I just type hotel lobby with nature, cozy, warm lighting, wood and black point, and then turn on Boost, watch this. The AI rewrites and expands it into a polished, detailed prompt.
Boost!
See, before it was short and plain. After Boost, it's corrected the typos and turned it into a much more sophisticated prompt.
Wow! I only wrote something quick, but it's transformed into such a professional sentence. This must be super helpful for people who aren't used to writing prompts for generative AI.
Exactly. And now let's generate an image with this enhanced prompt. Here it is. Even if you're not great at writing prompts, you can still get high-quality images like this.
That's really impressive. I'm already excited to go home and try this myself. It feels like ArchiFilm just got a whole lot easier. Now, could you introduce the reference image feature?
Sure. This feature lets you upload an image, and ArchiFilm will use it as a reference to render your model. Let me upload a hotel lobby photo. This time, I'll leave the prompt completely blank and just generate from the image alone. That gives the AI more freedom to be creative.
Wait, so it can actually generate without any text prompt at all?
Exactly. It makes image generation much easier. And here's the result. As you can see, the model structure stays the same, but the lighting and mood now follow the reference image.
That's amazing! No text prompt, just one image, and the result looks fantastic. And you've got one more tip to share, right?
Yep. This time, I'll take the uploaded reference image and run it through Prompt Boost. The AI automatically converts it into a text prompt, which we can then use together with the original image. This way, the AI has a much clearer understanding of what we want. Let's try it with a different view and another reference image. I'll upload it here. Then, in Prompt Boost, just click the reference image and boom, it instantly turns into text.
Wow! So just by uploading an image, the AI generates the text for you.
Exactly. Now, let's generate using both the text prompt and the original reference image at the same time. And here's the result. As you can see, it follows the mood of the reference image while also including the detailed elements from the text. The outcome is much more refined.
Oh, that's really the best of both worlds. Just one image and you get both a prompt and a reference, making the final output so much richer. In this episode, we've explored the newly added features and they definitely look very practical. In the next episode, we'll introduce the renewed ArchiFilm Hub and show you how to use presets. If you found today's video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll see you again next time. Thank you.
Bye.